So today I'm going to make a chicken chorizo and halloumi wrap, but I'm going to pimp it up by adding some of this Clonakilty white pudding. Now this stuff is not only going to add to the flavour, but it's going to give us a lovely texture to go with that as well. So for the flatbreads, I've got some flatbread dough that I've made earlier, so I'll bring that out and show you what we've done to that. But I'm going to dice up some chicken thighs here. We've got some chorizo, got some halloumi, got some peppers and some onions, and all we're going to do is just get these diced up, thread onto some skewers, and then we're going to cook them over charcoal. Now I've got my Chorizo T1 grill here with the skewer attachment. This is going to easily enable me to just hang the meat over the fire and just turn it as it cooks. It's going to take about 10-15 minutes from start to finish, and it's going to be bloody tasty, so let's crack on. So you've seen there, the chicken is cooked to 75 degrees. I've brushed on a little marinade of oil, oregano, thyme, paprika, salt and pepper, just to add a little bit of flavour to the chicken. The white pudding we've skewered with the chorizo and the halloumi. The chorizo fats would have released into that white pudding as well, just adding to the flavour. And of course we've got some peppers and onions. So I did promise you flatbreads, and in true Blue Peter fashion, here's some dough that I made earlier. Now this is doubled in size inside, and I've just kind of taken this out and just knocked the air out of it again. And we're just gonna, this is probably gonna make about 6 flatbreads. So all we're gonna do with this is just pull off enough for 1 flatbread, around about that. We're gonna take some flour, and we're just gonna stick the flour on the surface, take our bit of dough, and we're just gonna flatten this down as much as we can with our hand. And then we're gonna take a rolling pin and just roll this out into a nice thin flatbread. Once you've got this rolled out to the desired thickness and size, we're going to pop it on the grill grate straight over the coals, and it's literally going to cook in about a minute. You're going to see it start to bubble up. Once it starts to bubble up, give it a flip for about another 30 seconds to a minute, and that is it. Nice, easy, simple flatbread. So let's crack on with that. flatbreads there, you've seen they've taken about a minute, 2 minutes maybe. They've bubbled up, they've blistered, got a lovely bit of colour on them. We've built them, they look absolutely amazing, they smell amazing, my mouth was watering. Remember, we've got the chicken in there, we've got the halloumi in there, we've got the chorizo in there, and of course we've got this Clonakilty white pudding in there that's just going to add an extra level of flavour. So there's my flatbreads. I do hope you'll give them a go, and I'll see you again soon.